Did you guys hear about the India-Japan Human Resource Exchange and the Cooperation Plan? This is huge. Okay, here's what it does. There would be a two-way exchange of 500,000 people between Japan and India in the next 5 years. This would include 50,000 skilled and semi-skilled Indians moving to Japan. Now, why is this happening really? Japan has one of the world's fastest aging population, which has created a huge labor shortage. And it's not just about jobs. India and Japan are also working on boosting student exchanges, funding joint research between universities, setting up young Indian researchers to work in Japan, and then strengthening Japanese language education in India. Because let's be real, many Indians still prefer North America and Europe due to the language barriers. Now, if you are someone who have always dreamt of living or working in Japan, then this is for you. Look into the specific skilled workers program for eligibility. Second, even if it's non-mandatory, learn Japanese. Because proficiency in JLPT N2 or N1 makes you competitive. Third, decide on the industry you want to work in, whether it is nursing care, construction, IT, or anything. Keep in mind, this is not just about going abroad. It is about building bridges between Japan and India. So yes, this is not a brain drain. It's about exchange, collaboration, and growth for both the nations. And yes, if Japan has always been in your bucket list, then this is your chance.